arise, but remain aware of them, do not cling to them, do nothing. Do not engage with anything whatsoever. Whatever emerges, just let it be. Do not grasp onto anything, including your self-image. Stay liberated from all entanglements. Devoid of name, form, intention, dream, or aspiration. Do not mix or associate with anything. Remain empty. Initially, numerous thoughts or a flurry of mental noise may surface. However, that is acceptable, it is not negative. Allow the noise to exist. But you persist solely in presence. Simply, I am. Do not attempt to silence your mind, remain detached, for therein lies the secret. Remain solely in your presence.